is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another amazing house tour with your host, JP. Today, we're in the exclusive community of West Cliff in Porter Ranch, done by Toll Brothers. About to show you guys this Vega contemporary model home right behind me. This home right behind me features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, just under 4,700 square feet of interior space, and currently starts at the low price of just $1.6 million to build a brand new construction. This home has so many amazing features and amenities, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As we begin this tour, I want to first point out some key details featured on the exterior of this property. So shown right in front of me is a 2-car garage door with very beautiful glass panels, which really adds to the nice modern architecture featured around the entire exterior of this property. Surrounding that is going to be a stucco finish, some brick finishes shown to the left-hand side as well, and right above we do see some more of those stone patterns shown right above. If you guys follow me down right over here, we're going to see some nice mature plant life surrounding this entire area, some really nice stonework which leads directly up to that front door as well, and we also do see that beautiful modern architecture that surrounds this entire property. And without any further ado, let's head inside. So as we first step foot inside this incredible property, one of the first things that we notice is that luxurious marble flooring that surrounds this entire property, which is absolutely beautiful. Right above me, we have a collection of 3 chandeliers, which are absolutely a beautiful addition to this property. Shown over to my right-hand side, we have the floating staircase with those magnificent glass panels shown on the outside of that. And guys, I want to first point out to you this entire downstairs. This entire home is very open and modern, and I do really like the open space that you have here in this home. Now, first, I want to actually go ahead and take you guys back over here. And I want to go ahead and show you guys bedroom number 1 featured on the first floor inside of this property. But first, over to my left-hand side, we see that marble transition into a nice dark wooden flooring. And this is going to be the currently staged office inside of this property. So shown over to my left-hand side, we have a beautiful slab of marble with some nice ambient lighting shown right below that as well. I also like that light fixture shown right above me that is very luxurious and modern. And we see that light custom cabinetry shown across this entire way, built directly into that wall as well. Also guys, on the right-hand side, you actually have space for a mounted flat screen TV, and those tall windows let in tons of natural light to this workspace. Now follow me down here, and we are going to enter bedroom number 1, shown on the first floor inside of this property. So shown directly in front of me, this is actually going to be the closet space inside of this room. A very interesting feature. So all of these doors are actually pushed to open, if you can see right here. So you kind of get that wardrobe feel for your closet, which is very beautiful, and I do like that a lot. Also directly in front is a great place to store some shoes or maybe some additional jewelry. If you guys follow me in here, another magnificent light fixture shown right above me. And shown on the back side of that wall, we also do see some nice wooden paneling and a custom wallpaper done none other than Toll Brothers. We also do have space for up to 2 nightstands shown on either side of that bed, so you have plenty of storage inside of this room. Now follow me inside of here. This is going to be the ensuite bathroom inside of this room. So we have some more of that custom wood and cabinetry right below, a nice Caesar stone countertop with the vessel sink shown right above. And in here, we have your glass enclosed walk-in shower space with some dark tiling shown on either side and a nice marble pattern shown right in front of there. Now let's go ahead and continue our tour. I just love the use of those glass panels going up those floating stairs. Absolutely beautiful feature. And if you guys follow me straight down in here, this is going to be the powder room shown on the first floor of this property. So shown in here, this mirror actually surrounds the entire back side of this wall, extending all the way up to the ceiling. We see some more of that custom wallpaper done by Toll Brothers. And shown right above that sink space, this Caesar stone actually doubles as a little bit of a shelving space right here, so you can store some plants or some nice accessories right there as well. Shown directly next to that powder room, we have a nice coat closet right here. And now let's continue on down to the informal living space. So again, as I mentioned in the beginning, that amazing open floor plan. These ceilings are over 20 feet in height, and I just love the openness that you have here. Beautifully staged by Toll Brothers, and we have a magnificent collection of light fixtures shown right above me. If you guys follow me right over here, we see that nice stone design extend all the way up to the top of that ceiling, complementing this nice crystalline LED fireplace right over here. Another space for your mounted flat screen TV. And if you guys follow me right over here, This is going to be the private movie theater room, which is absolutely beautiful. And something else to notice as well, these actually do feature sliding glass doors similar to the ones that lead out to the backyard, but instead this completely seals off this movie room, which is absolutely incredible. So shown here is a beautiful seating area. You have plenty of space to have all your guests over inside a nice movie room like in here. Space for a massive flat screen TV. I also do like the use of the dark wood that is right behind that TV and that ambient lighting shown in between each little wooden piece as well. That is absolutely a beautiful feature. Also very high ceilings in here as well. And you have that integrated speaker system shown in that ceiling. So this is an absolutely perfect movie room. Now, let's continue our tour. Also, those windows let in tons of natural light to this living room. Absolutely a great feature. If you take a look right in front of me, this is going to be space for the informal dining table, currently staged to sit up to 8 of your guests. And if we continue on down here, this is going to be the oversized center island, which is absolutely beautiful. I really like those hanging light fixtures that are right above this countertop as well. We see space for up to 3 guests sitting right at the edge of that breakfast bar right over here. And if you follow me right over here, we're gonna see some more of that nice custom wooden cabinetry right above and below that Caesarstone countertop. Shown right here is a built-in JennAir stainless steel microwave. If you guys follow me back here, this is going to be the stainless steel JennAir built-in 6-burner stovetop right over here. And something else great about this kitchen is that you actually have that dark tile that actually complements the Caesarstone countertop very well. I do like that feature. If you guys take a look over to my left-hand side, we have that farm-style sink right here. We have space for your stainless steel trash compactor right here. Also that same matching custom wooden cabinetry right over here. Here we have that JennAir built-in dishwasher. And then we see some more of that nice sleek Caesarstone countertop with that complementary dark tiling right there. And then right in front of me, we have the built-in stainless steel JennAir designed refrigerator. So I really like the sleek interior of that refrigerator. Very beautiful. I like that a lot. And if you guys follow me back down here, shown right in front of me, this is actually going to be a designated wet bar area. So shown here is a nice extension of that traditional stone countertop, and it actually transitions into a nice glass countertop, which looks very modern and sleek inside of this interior. I do like that space a lot. We also have some more of those floating light fixtures shown right above, and if you guys follow me right in here, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this wet bar area. So we see more of that nice custom wooden cabinetry right there. We see some nice wine bottle refrigeration shown right here. And shown right in front of me, we actually have some built-in floating shelving, perfect for holding wine glasses and extra alcohol. Also shown right here, we have a miniature sink space right here. Beautiful space. Definitely perfect for entertaining inside of this home. This is absolutely the ideal feature to have. And if you guys follow me closer right over in here, this is going to be the enlarged walk-in pantry space. So again, we see more of that custom wooden designs shown on those drawer spaces. Drawers are soft close as well. We also do have some see-through cabinetry with those glass panels shown right in here, and some additional storage extending almost all the way up to that ceiling space right there. Yeah, I can't even reach that, guys. I'm 6'3" and it's a little bit difficult for me. And then shown over to my right-hand side, this is going to be space for the 2-car garage, but unfortunately it is locked, so I cannot show you guys that right now. But follow me and let's go ahead and check out that amazing backyard space. So behind this beautiful set of pocket sliding doors, I just want to go ahead and show you guys this real quick because these pocket all the way into the wall. So you have that seamless integration from the indoors directly to the outdoors. And let's go ahead and take a look here. So here we have a beautiful seating space, and right in front of that is going to be space for a mounted flat screen TV, another gaslit crystalline featured fireplace right below that, and we have some niche seating shown on either side of that fireplace, and a nice stone design shown around there as well. Also shown right above me, featured on this ceiling, is actually a nice wooden paneled ceiling, which is very beautiful, and some built-in ceiling fans as well. And then if we continue our tour, we see another informal seating space. And if you guys follow me right out here, we have this incredible glass enclosed pool area, which looks absolutely tremendous. This is also a zero-edge design pool, so that water does actually flow over into this nice rock feature right here, and I think this looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. That pool just looks so inviting on a nice hot day like today. I really wish I could jump in. And then shown right over here, we have a beautiful water feature right here with that glass sphere. And I think that looks absolutely incredible. I've never seen something like that in a home before, and that is tremendous. If you guys follow me right over here, I want to go ahead and show you the absolutely incredible views that you have here at this property. So if you follow me right up here, guys, take a look. You can see the mountaintops there over in the distance, and that looks absolutely incredible. Also, those nice glass panels that surround the backyard as well. Very beautiful space. And if you guys follow me right down here, shown here right in front of me, we have the enlarged outdoor dining table, currently staged to sit up to 14 of your guests, which is absolutely amazing. This home truly is the entertainer's dream, and you have some more of those beautiful floating light fixtures right above. I also do like those brick designs that are shown on either pillar of the shaded area right here as well. Very beautiful. And if you guys take a look right here as well, we do see that same brick design shown below, that amazing granite countertop right here. We see some additional stainless steel storage right over there. And if you guys take a look right here, this is actually a built-in stone fire oven, guys. Take a look at that. If you guys take a look right here, we have some built-in refrigeration right under that granite countertop. And this is going to be an extension of that granite countertop, currently shown to sit up to 5 of your guests, which really does add to the entertainer's dream inside of this property. Very beautiful feature. Imagine you guys are cooking a pizza over that stone fire oven. You just bring it right over here and you can feed all your guests. Absolutely amazing feature. I just love the backyard space. Absolutely incredible. I just love this so much. Beautiful views of the mountaintops, guys. Amazing pool, amazing water features. This home has it all. Now follow me back inside and we're going to go ahead and check out the upstairs of this property. Let's go. Now we have made it back inside of the home and I want to go ahead and show you guys the upstairs of this property. Let's go. So you follow me up this beautiful set of floating stairs with those amazing glass panels shown on either side of this area. Again, that open concept of the home, I really do like that. So here, I really love the use of that dark wood surrounding this entire upstairs floor. And here we have an amazing living space, a beautiful light fixture shown right above me. And shown inside of this room as well, you actually have a built-in desk area. I really like how this is actually floating off of the ground. It's built directly into the wall, and you have space for up to 3 people to sit right here, and some built-in iPads. And let's not forget about those amazing light fixtures right above as well. Also shown to the right-hand side of me, we also have space for a large flat-screen TV mounted on top of that wall. Very beautiful feature. Now let's continue on down and check out bedroom number 2 featured inside of this home. So shown here, we have bedroom number 2. We have space for a desk right over on the right-hand side, nightstand space on the left-hand side, so we got plenty of space inside of this room. 2 beautiful light fixtures shown right above there as well. And right here, you actually have some built-in cabinetry shown right here as well. And if you guys follow me right here, this room is also en suite. So we have some more of that custom wooden cabinetry shown right below. We've got a Caesar stone countertop, and we have a walk-in shower bathtub combination with some nice geometric tiling shown right inside of there. If you guys follow me right this way, this is going to be the designated laundry room inside of this home. Space for up to 2 appliances, and we see the same custom wooden cabinetry that we did see over in the kitchen area. Same Caesar stone countertop as well. You have space for your sink and some more of that custom wood right above and below. Now guys, follow me down here. A lot of natural light coming inside of these windows, very beautiful. As we continue our tour, shown right in front of me is some additional storage with the same custom wooden cabinetry that we did see over in the kitchen space as well, shown right above and below this area. Now follow me down here, and this is going to be bedroom number 3 shown inside of this home. So again, you have plenty of space shown inside of here, and I really love the use of all the windows inside of this room as well. Get a lot of natural light inside of this room. Beautiful feature. Again, we have a nice closet space with plenty of storage shown right inside of there. And if you follow me right over here as well, this is going to be the Jack and Jill bathroom, which does connect this bedroom and the bedroom right next door as well. We'll go ahead and check that out in just a second. But shown right here, we see some more of that nice custom wood, beautiful Caesar stone countertop. And if you follow me right inside of here, we have another glass enclosed walk-in shower bathtub combination with some more beautiful tile work surrounding that area as well. Now, if you guys follow me right inside of here, that Jack and Jill bathroom does connect us over into bedroom number 4. We see some more nightstand storage shown on either side, so you have plenty of storage inside of this room. Again, a similar closet to the one that we just saw over in bedroom number 3, allowing plenty of storage for clothing. Now, follow me down here. Again, guys, I really love the use of those glass panels surrounding this entire area, really bringing out that modern architecture. I love that so much. I love how you're able to just look out at your informal living space, the entire downstairs that you have. Beautiful feature. Now, I'm going to take a look at the master bedroom. First step inside this amazing master bedroom space, I first want to point out that you have this amazing marble slab with a dual paned gaslit fireplace right here with some LED features shown right inside there as well. Very beautiful space, and you actually can see that from the inside of the master bathroom, and we'll show you guys that in just a little bit. But shown over to my left hand side, we also do have space for the mounted flat screen TV and a beautiful seating area shown right in front of that bed as well. You have absolutely plenty of space in here. And also, all these windows let in so much natural light into this room. It's very beautiful. I love the large windows they use inside of here. This room also does feature a balcony. Let's go ahead and check that out right now. If you guys follow me outside of here, we have those amazing glass panels that separate this room, and you have those amazing mountaintop views in here. Very beautiful. And you also are able to look out at your beautiful pool space. Very good room, and I do like this one a lot. Also, you have a built-in ceiling fan shown right above me in this room as well. And if you guys follow me back inside of here, let's go ahead and take a look at that master bathroom space. I also do like that similar stone design that we did see over in the downstairs, which did surround the indoor fireplace. That is a great feature inside of here. Also, we do have an integrated speaker system shown in this room as well. If you guys follow me right inside of here, we have that amazing mosaic tile work shown inside of here and some nice flower patterns shown all around. I do like that a lot. Shown here is a freestanding tub. Right behind that, you have the oversized glass enclosed walk-in shower space. And let's go ahead and take a look inside of here real quick. So again, we see more of that mosaic tile work right here, a beautiful marble slab stone right here. You have a single rain handle right here, and you actually do have the same door access shown on this side of the shower as well. Very good feature. Also included inside of this beautiful master bathroom, this is going to be the second side of that dual paned glass fireplace, which is a beautiful feature. I really just love the LED features and the crystal rocks that are shown inside of there. Very good feature. And if you guys take a look over to my left, we have some more of that custom wooden cabinetry shown right below the Caesar stone countertop. Single vanity right here with that enlarged mirror right here with some beautiful light fixtures shown on either side. If you guys take a look right here, this is going to be the second vanity right here. They are connected by this third vanity shown right in front of here, but this one does not include a sink. Also, some more of those amazing light fixtures shown on either side. And now let's go ahead and check out the his and hers closet space. So very spacious room inside of here. You have absolutely plenty of storage for all your clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, anything you can imagine. Some beautiful ambient lighting shown on the underside and right above all these cabinet spaces as well. Again, an amazing light fixture shown right above me. And if you guys take a look right here, we have some full body mirrors which actually do double as some push to open doors right here as well. That's always a great feature. And I love these downward sloping wooden shelves because you can actually store all of your shoes right here, and they're a lot easier to grab than as if they were standing normal, which is a great feature. I like that a lot. So I also love the storage that you have right up here as well. These doors actually swing up, and you have a custom LED strip shown right inside of there as well. Always a great feature. I always love Toll Brothers and the master closets that they feature inside their properties. And that is going to wrap up our tour for the amazing Vega contemporary model home shown here in Westcliff Porter Ranch, done by Toll Brothers. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop a comment if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week for another amazing house tour. I'll see ya.